The BMW M-Zero is a futuristic machine that pushes the boundaries of performance and design, merging BMW's racing DNA with a bold vision of tomorrow's driving experience. As soon as it comes into view, the M-Zero makes a statement with its ultra-sleek aerodynamic silhouette, aggressive stance, and sharp LED signature lights that carve through the darkness like a laser. The low, wide body gives it a dominating road presence, while sculpted lines and carbon fiber accents enhance its sporty character. Every detail has been engineered to reduce drag while maximizing speed and control, making the M-Zero a true masterpiece of performance-oriented design. Underneath its futuristic shell lies BMW's next-generation hybrid electric powertrain, delivering instant torque and blistering acceleration that takes you from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds. The M-Zero doesn't just accelerate, TT launches forward with electrifying precision, combining the raw power of its twin-turbocharged engine with the seamless thrust of electric motors. This hybrid synergy not only boosts performance, but also enhances efficiency, marking a bold step into the future of sustainable speed. BMW's legendary M-Division tuning ensures razor-sharp handling, adaptive suspension, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that grips the road with confidence. In every corner, step inside the cabin, and the M-Zero surrounds you with an atmosphere of luxury fused with high-tech innovation. The cockpit feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, featuring a driver-focused layout with a wraparound digital interface, augmented reality displays, and touch-sensitive controls. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim highlight the sporty elegance, while ambient lighting and immersive sound elevate the driving experience to another level. The seats are designed for both comfort and performance, keeping you firmly planted during high-speed maneuvers while still offering long-distance luxury. Driving the BMW M-Zero is not just about reaching your destination, it's about experiencing the future of automotive performance. It represents BMW's relentless pursuit of innovation, combining electrification, aerodynamics, and motorsport heritage into one jaw-dropping machine. Whether parked under the spotlight or tearing through a mountain road, the M-Zero is built to turn heads and ignite passion in anyone who sees it. This isn't just a crib, it's the future of the M legacy.